Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today let's read Amazing Animals. This puppy is a lot of fun. He loves to cuddle, play and run. Let's press this button now.
Puppy.
Next we have Tiger. The tiger tiptoes. She's on the prowl. See her sniff and hear her grow. Roar!
Tiger.
Next we have a rooster. The busy rooster struts along. Cock-a-doodle-doo, crowing his good morning song.
Rooster.
See the sea turtle splash and splish. From his shell he waves at fish.
Sea turtle.
The elephant swings his trunk around. Aroo! Then makes a silly trumpet sound.
Elephant.
Ribbit, ribbit, watch the frog go hop, hop, hop and land right in the pond. Kerp, up.
Frog.
The duckling waddles down the street. Quack, quack on her little orange feet. Quack, quack, quack.
Duckling.
Next we have is caterpillar. The caterpillar inches by, inchy, inch, inch. Soon he will be a butterfly.
Caterpillar.
Next we have zebra. The zebra has stripes from hoof to head. What if she had spots instead? Pray, pray, pray.
Zebra.
The dolphin swims from here to there, then jumps and spins into the air. Chit, 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 chit.
Dolphin.
The end. It was fun learning about the animals. Thank you for listening. Bye bye, kids.